Welcome to your Finance Lab. Today we're diving into one of the most powerful yet often overlooked elements of financial success mindset. Building wealth isn't just about earning money or making investments, it's about how you think, perceive opportunities, and respond to challenges. In this video, we'll go over 10 crucial mindset shifts that successful people have made on their path to financial freedom. If you want to unlock your potential for wealth, these mindset changes can make all the difference. And stick around until the end because we'll share a bonus mindset shift that is often the final piece in the wealth-building puzzle. Let's dive in. Shift number 1. From scarcity to abundance. One of the first mindset shifts for wealth building is moving from a scarcity mentality to an abundance mentality. A scarcity mindset focuses on limitations. There's not enough money, time, or opportunities. In contrast, an abundance mindset believes there are endless possibilities and opportunities to grow, earn, and learn. Many self-made millionaires like Tony Robbins and Oprah Winfrey emphasize the importance of this shift. They believe that when you think abundantly, you're more willing to take calculated risks and spot opportunities. Actionable tip: start noticing and replacing scarcity-based thoughts like, "I can't afford this," with abundance-based ones such as, "How can I afford this?" This small shift can open up new avenues and ways of thinking. Shift number 2. From spending to investing. People with a wealth-building mindset view money as a tool, not just something to be spent. Rather than focusing on instant gratification, they prioritize investments that will yield returns over time. This could mean investing in stocks, real estate, or even self-education. Instead of spending on depreciating assets like expensive cars or flashy gadgets, those who achieve financial freedom think about how their money can work for them in the future. Actionable tip: next time you're considering a major purchase, ask yourself if it's an investment that will grow in value or a liability that will lose value over time. Shift number 3. From income to net worth. A high income doesn't necessarily mean wealth. Financially successful people know that true wealth is measured by net worth, not just by how much they make each month. They focus on accumulating assets and reducing liabilities to grow their net worth over time. Focusing on net worth encourages you to build a strong financial foundation, rather than relying solely on income. Wealthy individuals like Warren Buffett are more concerned with their long-term financial picture than with temporary spikes in income. Actionable tip: start tracking your net worth by calculating your assets minus your liabilities. This will give you a clearer picture of your financial health and show you where to make improvements. Shift number 4. From consumer to creator. To build wealth, you have to shift from being primarily a consumer to being a creator. Consumers spend money on products and services while creators build things that generate income. This could mean starting a business, creating digital products, or offering a service. Take Jeff Bezos, who saw a need for an online marketplace and created Amazon. By creating something of value, he turned a small business into a global empire. Actionable tip: think about what you can create. It doesn't have to be a business. Anything that adds value, such as a side hustle, an app, or even an investment portfolio, can put you in the creator mindset. Shift number 5. From instant gratification to delayed gratification. Building wealth requires discipline, and one of the most important mindset shifts is to prioritize long-term gains over short-term pleasure. This means resisting the urge to spend impulsively and instead investing in things that grow in value. Successful people practice delayed gratification because they understand that small sacrifices today can lead to significant rewards tomorrow. This habit is crucial for building a solid financial future. Actionable tip: practice delayed gratification by setting up a cooling-off period for non-essential purchases. Wait 24 hours before making any purchase that isn't a necessity. Shift number 6. From fear of failure to learning from failure. Fear of failure holds many people back from pursuing their goals, but those with a wealth-building mindset see failure as a stepping stone to success. Rather than letting failure stop them, they learn from it, adjust their strategies, and try again. Entrepreneurs like Elon Musk have faced setbacks, but have continued to push forward, learning from their mistakes and ultimately achieving success. Changing your mindset about failure can free you to take risks and pursue opportunities you might otherwise avoid. Actionable tip: when faced with a setback, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? Treat each failure as a learning experience rather than a dead end. Shift number 7. From fixed to growth mindset. A fixed mindset believes that talents and abilities are static, while a growth mindset believes that they can be developed with time and effort. the most successful people understand that they don't have to be born with special talents. They can develop skills, improve, and grow. People like Bill Gates and Serena Williams embody this mindset. They continuously push themselves to learn, train, and grow, which has led them to the top of their fields. Actionable tip: start each day by asking yourself, what can I learn today? Embrace challenges as opportunities to grow rather than obstacles to avoid. Shift number 8, from spending to saving and investing. A wealth-building mindset requires discipline in managing money. Financially independent individuals save a significant portion of their income and invest it wisely, allowing compound interest to work in their favor over time. Building this habit requires focusing on the long-term impact of every dollar spent versus every dollar saved and invested. Millionaires understand that money saved today grows exponentially in the future, thanks to compound interest. Actionable tip: set up an automatic transfer each month to a savings or investment account. Treat it as a non-negotiable expense, just like paying rent or a bill. Shift number 9, from comparison to self-improvement. Comparing yourself to others can lead to unnecessary stress and spending. Wealth-minded individuals focus on their own journey, rather than comparing their financial status to others. They know that someone else's success doesn't diminish their own, and they focus on continual self-improvement. Social media can make it easy to compare lifestyles, but successful people know that appearances can be deceiving. Instead, they invest in their growth, knowing that progress matters more than competing with others. Actionable tip: limit your exposure to social media if it triggers feelings of comparison. Focus on your goals and track your own progress over time. Shift number 10, from I can't to how can I. Wealth-minded individuals rarely think in terms of I can't. Instead, they ask, how can I? This simple shift empowers them to find creative solutions and overcome obstacles. It's the mindset of opportunity rather than limitation. When faced with a financial challenge, financially successful people don't shy away. They look for ways to make it work. This proactive approach allows them to overcome financial obstacles and achieve their goals. Actionable tip: replace any I can't thoughts with how can I. Write down possible solutions even if they seem far-fetched, and focus on ways to overcome obstacles. Bonus mindset shift: from working for money to making money work for you. The final mindset shift that ties everything together is understanding the importance of making money work for you. Financially independent individuals know that they can't rely solely on active income forever. Instead, they invest their money to create passive income streams that work even when they're not actively working. Investments in stocks, real estate, or businesses allow them to generate income passively, freeing them from the need to trade time for money. This shift is the foundation of financial freedom. Actionable tip: start exploring ways to make your money work for you. This could mean investing, starting a small side business, or creating a passive income stream. Achieving wealth and financial freedom is as much about mindset as it is about practical financial habits. By adopting these 10 mindset shifts, you'll set yourself up for long-term financial success and a future of financial independence. Which mindset shift resonated most with you? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content on personal finance and wealth-building strategies. Remember, wealth begins in the mind before it manifests in the bank account. Thanks for watching Your Finance Lab, and we'll see you in the next video.